Hi, my name is Emily Carter, and I'm going to be teaching about perimeter and area. So the perimeter is length plus width plus length plus width, or you could also do it x plus y plus y. And for this rectangle, these two sides are congruent and these two sides are congruent, but they all have a right angle. Now QR is 4 centimeters and RS is 2 centimeters. The perimeter means the length of the outline of a shape, which if you put it into a real world problem, it would be putting tape around something and how long would the tape need to be to go around the outside of this shape. So to find the perimeter, we put the length, which is 4, plus the width, which is 2, plus the length, which is 4, plus the width, which is 2. And you add all those up, and that equals to 12. So your perimeter is 12 centimeters. That is perimeter for a rectangle. Perimeter for a square is the same type of equation, length plus width plus length plus width, but the length and width are the same sizes, so they're all congruent. Now, if a question asks, what is the perimeter, what is the lengths and widths if the perimeter of a square is 20 centimeters? Well, what you would do is you would count all your x's up, x plus x plus x plus x equals 4x. Then you divide, equals 20. Then you would divide over 4x over 4 equals 20 over 4. And your answer would be x equals 5 centimeters. Now let's talk about area. Area is the space that it takes up to fill this shape. So to talk about a real world problem, how many of these little 1 by 1 squares will fill up this box? So you could do a whole bunch of rows to fill up the box and see how many little squares, but that will take forever. We'll just do the area. Area is length times width, not plus, times, or A equals X times Y. Now, these two are congruent and these two are congruent, so they're going to be two different numbers. And the length is 10 centimeters and the width is 8 centimeters. So you do the area of DEFG equals 10 times 8, which equals 80 centimeters. And you're doing centimeters because you're squaring it. And you go down to, let's see how to find the area of a square. These are all congruent again. And you would do 8 equals WXYZ equals 5 times 5 or 20, or since you're not squaring it up here, but you're squaring it down here. So you're literally squaring the two numbers, hence the name squared. So 5 squared equals 25 centimeters squared. And all the sides are congruent, so they all have the same length, which allows it to be 5 squared. Thank you for learning about perimeter and area. Remember, perimeter is P equals length plus width plus length plus width, and area is A equals length times width.